Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have 3 high-end Dollar Tree DIYs. So to begin, I will be taking 3 of these Dollar Tree candle holders that they are now carrying and 3 of these long stem Tealight candle holders. And I have 2 of the medium sized and 1 of the smaller one. I am going to allow this to dry for about 6 hours. I purchased this gold rhinestone chain on Amazon and now for my longer stemmed candle holders, I only added 5 rows of this chain, and for the smallest candle holder I went ahead and covered the entire top of my long stem Tealight candle holder. Now here's a look at the beautiful candle holders. I think they're so simple and so elegant that I will be using these year round. For my second DIY, I will be taking 10 of the tumbling tower blocks and I will be gluing them together side by side, and I will be doing 2 rows. Now I will be taking 10 more and gluing them on top of each of the rows. And I will be gluing both of these rows together to create a base. Now taking this Halloween decorative chain from the Dollar Tree, I am going to separate a bigger piece from a smaller piece, and I am going to go ahead and start gluing these pieces in a circle. Now when you begin to glue your second piece into a circle, go ahead and link those 2 together and finish off the circle. Now I will be looking for the right placement of how I want my infinity chain to look, and then glue both of those pieces together. Now I will be painting it black with my acrylic paint. Here I am showing you that I am going to be using my Fix All Adhesive to bling out my base. I use the Brilliant Metallic Gold spray paint to paint my 2 chains, and now I will be gluing those to the base. Now to add some texture and depth to my sculpture, I went ahead and sprayed a little bit of some silver metallic paint into a bowl, and I will just be lightly brushing that onto my chain. You don't have to do this. This is just a look that I was going for. I personally think that an all gold look is very elegant as well, but I was going for more of a worn out chain. And here is the look of my infinity chain sculpture. I think it is so cute to be a Dollar Tree DIY. Here's my inspiration piece. This mirror retails for about $1,100, and we are going to recreate it using Dollar Tree items. I will be taking a round framed mirror and another chain from the Halloween section, and I will be unlinking all of the pieces. So I will be setting down my pieces around my frame, and I will be marking while I'll be gluing down my first set. And now taking the linking chains, I am going to cut those in half, and I will be setting those in between each of the links that I have placed around my frame. Now I'll be gluing down all my links to the frame. After I have glued down all my links, I will be taking it outside and I will be spray painting it gold. And here is what that looks like. I think it is absolutely gorgeous, but to go ahead and match that with my sculpture, I will be adding the silver spray paint. Now to bling out my piece, I am going to go in with this gold rhinestone chain around the borders of the frame. So here is the final look of my chain link wall mirrors. I created a set of 3 and I think they look absolutely gorgeous. The middle mirror is all in gold. I did not go ahead and add any of the silver detailing, just to give you guys an idea of what it looks like hanging on the wall. I think this set is absolutely beautiful and it cost me way less than the original price of the larger mirror in the high-end store. Let me know down below, what do you guys think about this high-end dupe using Dollar Tree items? And if you guys will be recreating this look, what color would you use? So I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.